tonight we're out here at Chaney Ranch shooting some 2012 bike intro stuff and some photos and having some fun.
It's got really nice scenery around here, and as you can see, it's still green because it got some rain past weeks, but we're just out here having a blast, goofing off, getting ready for some outdoors.